Ever wondered what nearly $500,000 looks like, resting right on the bridge of your nose? Welcome back. Today, we are diving into the dazzling world of ultra-luxury eyewear. We'll explore the absolute most expensive sunglasses ever created, the jaw-dropping materials used, and the celebrities who wear them. Let's kick things off by looking at the undisputed king of luxury frames. Holding the absolute top spot for the world's most expensive sunglasses are the $408,000 chopard shades, designed by Dorigo Vision. Debuting back in 2012, these are a wearable masterpiece crafted using 60 grams of pure 24-karat gold. The design features 51 full-cut river diamonds set using an intricate carpet technique along the temples. To finish off the look, the signature C logo is beautifully engraved on the frame. Transitioning from the king, let's look at another giant. Coming in at a close second is a dazzling masterpiece from Dolce & Gabbana. These frames feature a solid gold base and a signature logo encrusted with high-clarity diamonds. They represent the ultimate status symbol for luxury fashion enthusiasts around the globe. Next, we have something truly unique and historical, the Scheele's Emerald Sunglasses. Inspired by the Roman Emperor Nero, these lenses are made from real emeralds that take the glare away. It took 5 years to source and 3 months to cut these solid emerald lenses to perfection. Paired with an 18-karat gold frame, they are widely considered more of a jewelry piece than simple eyewear. No luxury list is complete without the House of Cartier and their iconic Panther line. This 18-karat white gold frame features the signature panther motif, a symbol of power and elegance. It is heavily encrusted with 561 diamonds and 645 blue sapphires for a truly majestic look. It's a wearable piece of art that defines the heritage and craftsmanship of French luxury. Maybach also brings their automotive prestige to your face with the Diplomat 1. Limited to just 50 pairs, these feature 174 hand-cut diamonds set in a solid 18K gold frame. The temples are accented with natural buffalo horn, ensuring that no two pairs are ever exactly alike. With price tags like that, you might be asking, who actually buys and wears these? Beyoncé is frequently seen in massive custom shield shades that offer both privacy and high fashion status. Miley Cyrus has popularized crystal-embellished cat-eye frames in her latest high-profile campaigns. And Bad Bunny treats eyewear as masks, favoring thick, geometric, and avant-garde designs. For these stars, eyewear is the ultimate finishing touch to their public identity and artistic expression. From solid gold to ancient emeralds, ultra-luxury eyewear is where fashion meets high-stakes investment. Whether it's for status or pure artistic appreciation, these frames are truly in a world of their own. Which pair would you choose if money were no object? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Welcome to the world where eyewear transcends fashion and becomes wearable investment-grade jewelry. Today, we are exploring sunglasses that cost more than a luxury estate. These aren't just for blocking the sun, they are masterpieces of solid gold, high-carat gemstones, and centuries of artisanal heritage. At the very top of this pyramid sits a piece that defines opulence. Let's look at the chopard Dorigo Vision. Valued at a staggering $408,000, this collaboration between chopard and Dorigo Vision is the undisputed king of luxury shades. The frames are constructed from 60 grams of solid 24-karat gold, featuring a unique dotted gold texture for incredible aesthetic depth. They are adorned with 51 full-cut river diamonds, set using a unique carpet technique for a continuous blinding brilliance. But beyond the gold and gems, these frames are about making the ultimate statement in the most exclusive circles. When you wear sunglasses that cost more than most houses, you are making a serious statement. These spectacular chopard frames have graced the faces of true Hollywood and music royalty. Notable owners of these dazzling sunglasses include legendary music icons Elton John and Tom Jones, as well as Academy Award-winning actress Gwyneth Paltrow. While chopard holds the crown, there are a few other brands that come remarkably close. The ultra-luxury eyewear market has some other spectacular runners-up. Coming in close behind chopard is the Dolce & Gabbana DG 2027B, valued at a massive $383,000. These frames are crafted from solid 18-karat gold, with the brand name emblazoned across the arms in tiny hand-set diamonds. Then, we have the incredibly unique Scheele's Emerald Sunglasses. Priced at $200,000, these shades boast a diamond frame and actual emeralds used for the lenses. It took 5 years to source emeralds large and clear enough to be sliced into lenses, inspired by the Roman Emperor Nero. Finally, there is the stunning Cartier Panthère. Priced at $159,000, this pair is crafted from 18-karat white gold and adorned with 561 brilliantly cut diamonds. Seeing all these diamonds and gold brings up a very interesting question. Why do they cost so much? Beyond precious metals, these brands use exotic materials like ivory, buffalo horn, and carbon fiber to create unparalleled textures. Even sports eyewear gets the treatment. The Click Gold 18-karat Sport costs $75,000 and takes 50 hours of manual labor to assemble. History adds even more value. 17th-century Mughal spectacles with diamond and emerald lenses have been valued in the millions at auction. The creation process can involve up to 300 individual steps and months of painstaking work by master craftsmen. When you're buying at this level, you aren't just buying protection, you're buying absolute exclusivity. Many are limited to just 100 pairs worldwide. And the tech is just as impressive, featuring mineral glass lenses with up to 10 layers of anti-reflective coatings for perfect clarity. From chopard to Cartier, these pieces represent the pinnacle of human artistry and the ultimate symbol of wealth and status. So, if money were no object, which pair would you choose to see the world through? Thanks for watching. Welcome to the world of ultra-luxury, where sunglasses are more than just eye protection. They're a statement of extreme wealth. Today, we're counting down the most expensive eyewear on the planet, featuring pieces that cost more than a supercar. From solid gold frames to lenses made of actual emeralds, let's look at the top 5 gilded visions. Starting at number 5, the Luxuriator Style 23. At $65,000, it features a massive 2-carat canary diamond. The temples are handcrafted from rare ivory buffalo horn, blending natural textures with 18-karat gold. Moving to number 4, we have a legend in the world of jewelry, Cartier. The Cartier Panthère sunglasses, valued at $159,000, are a masterpiece of white gold. 2 panthers crouch on the hinges, pavé set with 561 diamonds and over 600 sapphires. At number 3, we find something truly unique from Scheels Jewelers, the $200,000 emerald sunglasses. What makes these so special? The lenses themselves are made of solid gemstones. Inspired by the Roman Emperor Nero, it took 5 years to find these emeralds and 3 months to cut them into lenses. The frames are, of course, 18-karat gold, but it's the vivid green tint of the stones that steals the show. Can you imagine seeing the world through solid emeralds? Every detail is designed for maximum extravagance. Next up at number 2 is a brand synonymous with Mediterranean opulence, Dolce & Gabbana. The DG 2027B model once held the world record with a price tag of $383,000. What drives that price? The iconic brand name is entirely encrusted in brilliant cut diamonds along the arms. Combined with a solid gold frame, these aviators are the ultimate status symbol for the global elite. And finally, at number 1, the Chopard Dorigo Vision, the world's most expensive sunglasses at over $400,000. With 60 grams of 24-karat gold and a diamond carpet of 51 river diamonds, they are peerless. Are these items accessories or are they investments? According to industry watchers, these lavish items blur the line entirely. Because of the precious gems and metals involved, these pieces are frequently crafted by high-end jewelry houses, like Chopard. They are truly wearable art. So what's the final verdict on these gilded visions? To wrap things up, luxury eyewear is taking extravagance to a whole new level. By blending massive diamonds, pure gold, and iconic designs, brands are turning everyday accessories into status symbols. From Chopard's diamond carpet to Scheels' incredible emerald lenses, these frames are spectacular. Now I want to hear from you. If you had an unlimited budget, which of these luxurious sunglasses would you buy? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the ultra-wealthy lifestyle, hit that like button and subscribe. Ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.